Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the PDFComply tool to convert a handwritten note to an accessible PDF. So to begin, let's take a view of what the handwritten note we'll be converting today looks like. So this is a document from the math department, and basically it's on set and Venn diagram. So it has some drawings, it has some items that are in a list but are not ordered. It has some Venn diagram towards the later end of the page. So we're going to be using the PDFComply tool to convert this document into an accessible PDF. So let's navigate back to the tab where we have the tool open. As of today, you are required to sign in to actually use the tool. But the beauty is that the tool does not keep any record of your history. So you can be rest assured that your document is not saved. So to begin, I will click on the drag and drop PDF here, or I'll click to browse option. All right, and then I'll go to where I have the document saved. So I'll select the document I want to convert and click on open. Now the tool will take a while and then to convert the file, as we would see shortly. So depending on the number of pages in the document, it can take a while. So this document in particular has 10 pages, and so it might take up to 3 minutes or thereabouts to actually convert this file to an accessible PDF. Now the document has been transcribed by the tool, and so we have the option to be able to review the transcription before generating the accessible PDF. So to do that, you have the option to review the original side by side the transcription, or the PDF preview side by side the transcription. And as you can see with this tool, it's able to detect what the headings would be. It's able to detect the paragraph, so we can see the paragraph is side by side. It's able to detect diagrams within the document, right? And also it's able to detect and the good thing as well is you can always drag and drop. You can always remove any area you do not want to be in the document, right? For the images, you can always adjust the crop of the image. So let's say, for example, the image was not cropped properly. You can click on adjust crop and adjust the crop and then apply the changes that you've made, right? So it's able to also generate the alt text for the images that are displayed in the document, and you can see it side by side the original file, so that will give you an idea of what is in the file, and also you're able to make the changes before generating the PDF. It's also able to, as you can see, it's able to categorize, right? So it can detect if it's a paragraph, heading, equation, list, diagram, code, or divider. And if it's a divider or any category, really, you can always mark it as decorative, right? So I'm just going to adjust crop for some of the diagrams, right, that I feel like should be adjusted. So as the faculty, right, you're encouraged to review these adjustments before generating the PDF file. Then also it's able to determine what should be a list and generate it as a list as well. So please review the transcription before generating. Now, once you're ready to generate the PDF, all you need to do is scroll to the very top of the page. I'm guessing it will also be at the end. And on the right-hand side, you will see a button called Generate Accessible PDF. Once you click on that button, it's going to take a while and it's going to generate the PDF. All right. So once the generation is done, the button will change to Download Accessible PDF, which I would click on now. All right, so the file has been downloaded. Once you click on the file, right, you'll be able to view the now accessible PDF, right? And just by trying to select a text, you'll be able to tell that it's accessible. Now let's move over to Blackboard and check if it meets the Blackboard accessibility checker. Now I signed into Blackboard, so I'll just go ahead and upload the recently generated PDF for the sets document. Alright, so once it's uploaded, it will take Blackboard a while to generate the accessibility score. So the accessibility score has been generated, right? If you click on accessibility score, as you can see, it shows perfect, right? That's because it's able to identify all the headings. It's able to determine what the paragraph is. It's generated all text for all the images as well as for the equations, right? So this is a beautiful tool that we recommend to use for making your handwritten maths accessible, right? You can also try it for chemistry diagrams to see if it works. If you have any questions, please reach out to us and we'll be able to assist you. Thank you and bye for now.